Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Dodge Challenger with paper full guide. Start by cutting templates for the body panels and chassis. Align edges precisely and score fold lines. Use a steel ruler to fold sharp creases and glue tabs one section at a time. Work from larger panels to smaller details to maintain shape. Let glue set between steps and test fit parts before final assembly for best results. Begin by building the chassis and reinforcing key areas to support weight and shape. Attach the lower body panels, making sure tabs tuck inside and glue dries fully before moving on. Slowly add the hood and roof, checking alignment at each step to keep proportions accurate. Use small clamps or pins to hold parts while drying. Finish basic assembly by confirming wheels and axle positions are centered for balance and appearance. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: bring music into your workspace with the Echo Dot smart speaker I used during filming. It keeps the mood upbeat and helps with timing breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small addition that makes crafting more fun and efficient. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on small details like headlights, grille, mirrors, and badges using layered paper and thin acetate for lenses. Paint panels prior to attaching fragile details, and touch up seams with a fine brush for continuity. Use decals or hand-drawn pinstripes for authentic styling cues. Once all pieces are secured, apply a clear protective coat to preserve color and strengthen edges. Allow ample drying time to avoid fingerprints and ensure a durable finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.